Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix Claude long thinking timeout or Claude AI taking forever to think. The first solution that you can try is start a new chat and see if this fixes your problem or not. And the second solution that you can try is chunk large tasks. Instead of asking for massive code refactor or a long document in one go, ask Claude to do this in 5 small steps. Or you can also do reduce file attachments, remove unnecessary background files or large code bases that might be overwhelming the thinking process. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, there might be a browser issue. Now, to fix this, click on the three dot option and go to settings of your browser. Then just click on privacy and security. Then click on delete browsing data. Then just select cached image and files and select all time. Then hit delete, then close Chrome completely, then restart it again, then see if problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed after that, you can clear cookies of Claude AI website. Click on this option and click on cookies and site data, then just click on manage on device data and you can delete these cookies of Claude AI and see if this fixes your problem or not after you refresh the page. And I hope guys after this solution your problem will be fixed, and if yes, please like this video and thanks for watching.